In this quick video, I'll show you how to convert image to vector in Photoshop. If you found this video helpful, then please consider subscribing my channel and also like this video. So I have this image on my Photoshop. I want to convert it to vector. So for that, come to layer section and hold Ctrl or Command on your Mac and click on your image just like so, and then it will create selection around your image. Now click on this rectangular marquee tool, or you can use shortcut key as M. Come down to your image and right click on it, then click on make work path. You can set the tolerance as 1 and it will be perfectly fine. Then click on OK. After that, it will create work path around your image. Now select this tool, which is path selection tool, or you can use shortcut key as A. Once you select this tool, right click on your image once again, and this time click on create vector mask, and it will create vector mask on your layer as you can see here. Now we can hit enter on our keyboard to get rid of these points. If we select our image and transform it by Ctrl T, you can see I can transform it or scale it according to my need. And if I click on this tick icon, you can see my image is not blurry because it is vector now. We can also export it or save it as EPS file. For that, go to file on the left corner, then click on save as. Now you can choose any file type. You can use EPS or whatever you like, and this is the way. Now it's your time to repay me. For that, you can just subscribe my channel. I would really appreciate it. For now, thanks for watching. Bye bye.